Okay guys, Dr. Cool Auto Fix here. We have Lexus RX 350. This should be 2014 model, 2013 to 14 model. And the customer complaint on this very car here is that it has a transmission fluid temp high. So I want to diagnose it and see if I can be able to find anything here before I go for a test drive. He says this very warning sign comes up when he hit the road and start making like 100 kilometer per hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my diagnostics and see what I'm gonna find. I've solved this kind of problem on different models. So from one of those videos that I posted on my YouTube is what he came across and decided to locate me. Thank God he's in Abuja. So if you have this problem and you're in Abuja, I got your back. So the first thing I want to do here is to perform a simple visual inspection. So pop the hood open. Everything seems pretty cool here. Clean slate. Good morning, sir. Okay. But I'm noticing something here, guys. And this car is near to mint condition. Looks very clean. Okay, I need to take a look at the mileage on. I want to get this rubber a little bit off. Okay, now this very visual inspection, something I'm looking out for, and so far everything seemed to be just fine. However, there's no issue. So I'll have another one I'm gonna look at because there is a whole lot to look at. I won't have this kind of issue. It is a complete process. So far, haven't found nothing. So let me go into diagnosing this very car. Based on my past experience, it could be a transmission problem, and sometimes it might not be that very deeper in the transmission system. But I'm often not very so free in throwing up the information I found on the internet, because a lot of you guys don't know what we go through and you don't actually how far buddy do here. So let me go ahead and power my device and turn the ignition on. Okay, she's awake. Let's trip A. Need to check trip B and see So it has 32. Are you sure? Okay. Whoa. It has 100 and what? Are you kidding me? That's overboard. Okay, that's not overboard. That's 113k miles. This car is from Canada, so it's look very fresh. The person who used it very good. Okay, so now I can go ahead into diagnosing. Let's see what I'm going to find. North America, no. Others, automatic detection. This should be 212 and above. Radar cruise. Okay, RX350, 2GRFE. Radar cruise. Automatic system selection. We'll go through automatic scan so we see. Okay, the engine electronics is okay, but the ECT got 2 issues. This is going to be very interesting. So I'm going to wait for it to finish scanning. This car is one of those kind of trouble-free car in as much as you don't have overheating issue. Okay, it's done scanning, so let's go ahead and see the DTC report. Okay, this is where the problem is. So guys, I say sometimes it can be a very common problem, sometimes it can be a nasty blow. I want to go through the live stream data. Let me check our live stream data. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the car. Okay, you guys can see there is no check engine light. Alpha. So, coolant temperature. Battery voltage. So far, I couldn't find the damn guy. Zero 72.